Hello everybody and welcome to this week's video. In this week's video I'm going to be doing a first for the channel, which is an unboxing video. And the product I'm going to be unboxing tonight is the Insta360 X5. Now bear with me, there may be a few mistakes along the way, but I dare say you've tuned into this video because you're thinking about buying one, or you've already bought one and you want to justify your purchase. So let's crack on and see what's in the box. So first up we have the lens cap. Probably the least sexy thing about it, but let's, oh yeah, I've broken that. The Insta360, can you see that there? Very straightforward, not very exciting. Let's move on to the next bit. The second part is extended selfie stick. There we are. So there we go, there's the size of it. That's fairly good. That's about, I don't know, 30-40 centimetres long at the moment. It's telescopic, so it's got three sections which extend to 120 centimetres, 240 centimetres and 303 metres this extends to, which in my mind sounds absolutely ridiculous. There's a nice foam grip on it. It's not overly spongy, but it does feel nice to the hand. So that is the selfie stick. So here we go. It's the Insta360 X5 8K 360 action cam. So let's have a look and see what's inside here. This is very nicely packaged. Again, feels very premium quality. But inside here, we've got our usual box of stuff. Let's have a look inside here, see what's in it. So we've got our instructions. Nobody ever needs them. And inside here, we have a nice little pouch. Don't need those things, let's get them out the road. Inside, there's the cable. There's a little pouch in there maybe for micro SD cards, anything you want. A charging cable, not overly big. And yep. So standard cable, USB-C to USB-C. Yeah, USB-C to USB-C. Two cables on the side to keep it nice and neat, and that's probably why it fits inside there. But on to the main event, and that is the unit itself. It's got a really nice weight to it. You've got the power buttons down the side, Q button, we'll find out what that is later on. We've got the two lenses there, which obviously is the main functioning thing behind a 360 camera. So on the back, there's a nice textured grip in there. Feels as if that would be quite good if you were only holding it in the hands, does it? Well, I suppose if it's 360, it doesn't matter what side you're pointing it at. But yeah, feels okay in the hands. Very good. On this side we have the battery, which you take in and out there. Nice size battery, which is meant to be improved with the X5 over the X4. I only have one, so we'll find out. There we go. On this side you've got a USB charging port. I'm assuming that might be power, don't know, microphone maybe on that side. We'll find out. And the SD card goes, battery there, where's the SD card go? I'm failing at the first hurdle, guys. I don't know, does anybody want to send me a message and tell me where the SD card goes? Ah, there it is, it's inside there, SD card. So you have to take the battery out to change the SD card, and I'm not sure if I'm a huge fan of that. So let's do the most important thing. Helpful tips before use. Let's get rid of that. Oh, it's a satisfying pull. And again, we've got the cover and the lenses. I'm going to leave them on until I try it. But must admit, I'm fairly impressed with that. It feels very, very nice. Let's take that one off there. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The Insta360 X5 unboxing. And bearing in mind, we have the rubber cap, the incredibly massive selfie stick to go with it. So on the bottom, we have a thread for attaching to the selfie stick. So we do that. So again, 3 meters this extends to, and that's something special. That's not a selfie stick, that's a crowd stick. Is that a thing? A crowd stick? So let's pop the lens cap cover, squeeze it over the top. There we go, that's that one. We've got a USB, we've got a cable, there we go. Happy days. So there you go guys, that's the Insta360 X5 unboxing. Unfortunately I don't have a really swanky knife to do the unboxing with, but never mind, we got there in the end. Now there's a bit of a caveat, I have never used one of these before, so I don't know what it's like to film with, I don't know what it's like to edit the footage that comes out of this, how you do that, and I don't know how that integrates with Final Cut Pro or the software that you use. But we're going to go out in the next video, we're going to give it a go, we're going to see what sort of footage we get, and we're also going to see what I think about it. I must admit, I'm a little bit reticent to extend this the full length, because at 3 meters, that's very, very obtrusive. Is that a word? Obtrusive. Anyway, we will find out in due course. But thanks for tuning in and watching the next video as I take this baby out and field test it. See you later guys.